I'm Adrian Turner. I'm director of Mae Escape Limited. It's a puzzle game. A team of you between 2 and 8 people enter the room, try and solve clues, puzzles, looking for your escape, as the title mentions. The reason why I chose to bring Welsh to the business, even though I don't speak Welsh myself, is to really outreach to more people.
So nes I helpu Escape Blackwood I helpu cyfieithu gyda'r clues. Felly ni'n mynd trwy'r ystafell gyda'r perchennog a I weld be o'n i'n gallu neud o ran defnyddio'r Cymraeg o fewn y cwmni a gweld sut allan ni fel project Cymraeg Business helpu nhw.
All free of charge, friendly welcome with them, and they've come on site as well to actually see what I need, things that I couldn't think of. Welsh for Business has been fantastic.
So the easy steps I would recommend would be to just add a little bit of bilingualism into your business by maybe having the menu bilingually, or just if you're using a phone quite frequently in your business, just to answer the phone with good morning, bore da, or good afternoon, prynawn da. The little things really help.